Oh, got a Cooter McVille over there, being a fucking Jew bag, loading up his vagina of a rifle. I don't know if you can even call it a rifle. I call it a pea shooter, maybe a pellet gun at best. But yeah, bad business. You can almost hear it. You can almost hear that little crapper. You can almost hear that little shit cocking. Oh, oh. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. Oh. Nah, come on back on back around over here. I'll get a close up. Oh shit, you know what? I'll probably zoom in on that shit.
Now I'm gonna get close, man.
Oh yeah. Got Cooter McVille rolling up hot.
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna shoot that way.
Yeah. Shoot this way.
That way?
This way.
Towards you?
Right here.
Whatever you want.
Shoot directly in front of you.
I guess I won't have no cameraman after that.
Shit. That's details, my friend. You want me to zoom in real hot on it or what?
Nah.
This is perfect right here. I got you. We're about to flip over. Hey, don't forget about them other fishermen back there.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna shoot the water. Yeah, I know they heard of that.
Out of ammo?
Oh yeah.
Oh, after this, we probably have to book it, dude.
Fuck yeah, we're gonna book it.
Out of ammo all day. Brazos River, yakking and capping.